Just give me 3 minutes and I'll show you how you can generate new articles every day and post it. So to do this, you just have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on the sign up for free and you are going to get a free trial of Pabbly Connect. Then log in inside Pabbly Connect and come on the dashboard, click on this create workflow and then create using a quick builder. If you are a new user, you're going to find a window something like this, and now over here you have to type daily post articles on Google Blogger using Gemini. You can use ChatGPT or some another tool too. You just have to mention it right over here, select the details and you are good to go. Over here for the Google Blogger action, I'm just going to select it as create a post and then approve and create and then open workflow. Now as you can see that my workflow is created successfully. I just have to connect my applications and I'm good to go. So first of all, we're just going to schedule this workflow. So for that, I'm just going to select schedule right over here. How often do you want to run this workflow? Every day, and the time is 11 in the morning. So I'm just going to select the same right over here, and then we're just going to move on further and click on this save button. Now this workflow is scheduled for every day 11 in the morning. Now I'm just going to open this Gemini and enter my prompt. For that, just click on this connect, add a new connection. It is going to ask you for the API key. Go on your Google AI Studio from the left end of the side, go on this get API key section, create new API key button, and from here you can create a new API key. Once you get this API key, just paste it right over here and then click on the save and your Gemini will be connected with Pabbly Connect. I've already created this connection, so I'm just going to click on the select existing connection and then save. Now it is asking me for the prompt, so I'm just going to enter the prompt using which I'm just going to generate 100% unique articles every day. And as you can see, I have successfully entered the prompt right over here. If you also want this prompt, just comment prompt and I'm just going to share it with you. Select the model, select the method as generate content and click on the save and send test request button. So I've entered the prompt according to my own specific needs and the article which I want. You have to enter it according to yours own. You can give this prompt to any AI tool and ask them to curate this for you and it will do the same. You just have to wait for a few seconds till Gemini is going to write you a perfect article. So let me just wait for a few seconds, and as you can see that we have received this article right over here, and further we are just going to open Blogger and add it there. You just have to go on this Blogger, and as you can see, you just have to connect your Blogger just by clicking on this connect button, add a new connection, sign in with Google, select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to connect your Google Blogger. You can use any other application too, like over here WordPress or something else. Just click on this continue and your Google Blogger will be connected. I'm using Google Blogger just as an example. You can use any other application too to post this articles. You can simply map the details right over here and your articles will be posted successfully. Like this, you have learned how to generate 100% unique articles every day, and then further you can post it on multiple platforms according to your own choice. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll also attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out. Apart from that, if you want a detailed step-by-step tutorial, you can comment detailed video and I'll share that video with you too. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Till then, go try this. Thank you for watching.